Hey guys, in today's video, we are sampling 3 viral print-on-demand products from Printify. I got samples of these products because 1, they are going viral on Etsy and Shopify and TikTok Shop, and 2, because I really wanted these myself, and 3, I wanted to test the quality of these products myself so that I can bring it to you and save you from sampling them if you don't want to. However, after this video, you're probably gonna want to purchase some of these yourself. So let's open these up. I'm not gonna lie, I opened this one up and I peeked into this one. And this is the most exciting one. I cannot wait to see. We're gonna save this one for last. I know what it is. I'm gonna save opening it up completely with you guys. Okay, so in this video, we are going to unbox these 3 viral selling products. I'm going to show you them, we're going to check the quality of them, and then I'm gonna show you where you can find them within Printify in case you want to start selling these in your print-on-demand shops as well, which I highly, highly suggest. And these are on board for summer as well. These are big summer items. They also sell all year round, but these 3 specific items I am sampling right now because they are going to sell the most this summer. All right, so number 1, it came in this box. I wonder, can anybody guess what it is? Now this, I'll show you exactly how it came to me in the box. Nothing else inside. It's actually a hat. If anybody guessed hat, let me know in the comments. It came with this little sticker here. It fits really nicely on myself, but my husband tried it on and it fits him too, except it has cute little embroidered seashells. So he can't steal it from me. It's my hat for the summer. So we're gonna check this out here. I'm gonna take the sticker off, obviously, but like I love the fit for myself. And embroidery is huge right now, guys, and they did a really nice job on this. I can do a full tutorial on how to do embroidered products if you would like. Hats coupled with embroidery are huge sellers on Etsy right now. It's insane. All niches under the sun, especially for summer. So I wanted to rock my own embroidered hat. So I made one myself. Let me know what you guys think. I wanted it to be simple, but summer themed. So there we go. And we're gonna jump into my laptop right now. I'm gonna show you where you can find this hat. All right, guys, so we are in Printify, and the first thing you're going to do is come to catalog here. And we're gonna come over here to accessories and go down a little bit to hats. Now, as you can see, they offer many, many different hat variations, but not all of these are embroidery, which is why I'm going to show you exactly where you can find the one that I used. Now, here are a couple, though, you will see in the parentheses embroidery. This is actually the one that I used. We will click into this in just a minute. Here is another one, a snapback trucker cap, which are really big on Etsy, and they offer embroidery on here. Here is a flat bill cap, and they offer embroidery. This whole row here is embroidery. So really you can choose to your liking. As you can see, there are many, many that offer embroidery now, which is just amazing because that is the style that is in demand currently. So I'm gonna click into the one that I personally used. And now the prices that you are seeing on my end might be a little bit lower than the prices on your end if you're not using Printify Premium, which I highly suggest you consider. It's $29 a month and it lowers the prices of the products. I find it very much worth it. And these are all of the different colors that you can choose for this specific hat. I chose black and it came out like a little bit distressed because it is a vintage style cap. Next up on my list, one of my personal faves, and I just feel like every household should have one of these because they are cutesy and they are aesthetic. And let me just show you. First, I'm gonna show you how Printify put a sticker on the box letting us know to handle it with care. It's fragile. I really love that they did this because what's inside here could easily break. So let's see how it's packaged. That being said, here is the inside. It's packaged with some paper and then it's bubble wrapped. And there's even more packaging at the bottom. And then here is the straw that comes in a packaged paper. And if you guessed it, It came out so cute. It is a glass sipper cup is what they are called. Huge sellers all year round on Etsy, but if you tie it in with a summer niche, these are going to sell really, really well this summer. So let's jump into Printify. I will show you exactly how you can find this and sell them yourselves in your Etsy shops. Starting now, get on this now. There are sellers making 6 figures a month selling sipper glass. All right, we're going back to catalog. Yeah, here it is in glassware. But if you can't ever find a specific product, you can just search for the actual name in the search and it'll pop up for you. So here it is right here. This is actually my second one of these. I absolutely love, I don't know why I like to drink out of a glass clear cup. I fill it up with ice, I put my lemon and my water in it, and it's just super refreshing. And as you can see, the price for me, because I have Printify Premium, is $10.79, and here is the shipping price. You can also sell these without the lid and the straw, but the ones that are bestsellers on Etsy are selling with the lid and the straw, so just keep that in mind. Yay, now comes the fun part. We can open this one together. While I do this, and hopefully you can hear me over the crinkling of the paper, but I'm just wondering what other products would you like to see sampled? Because I'm having so much fun doing this. I mean, I'm gonna order them for myself anyways, so I might as well do a little quality check and a sample for you guys at the same time. So let me know if there's any products that you would like to see sampled, and I will consider adding them to my list. So, okay, so first, nice little package here. What do you guys think it is? Any guesses? I think some of you might guess kind of correctly, but you might be a little bit off with this one. So let's see. I'm excited. I really hope it turned out good. I'm sure it did, but you never know, and I'm gonna be showing you guys. So Printify, I hope you did a good job. They always do a good job though, and if they don't, they will refund you or reprint if the mistake is on their end. So just keep that in mind. If there's ever a mistake on one of your print-on-demand products from Printify, you just take a picture of it, or like say a customer messages you and says there was a defected product, you have them take a picture of it and you find that order within Printify, and then at the bottom of the order you can click submit issue, and you're gonna send them the picture and you're able to click refund or reprint. And there's never been a time where they didn't do that for me whenever there's an issue, and it's rare that there's an issue, but this is exciting. Okay. So it's a clear mug, guys. Oh my gosh. These are huge right now because mugs in general have always been huge sellers. Don't tell me they're saturated. They are not, because you can continue to design in every single niche that you could possibly think of, plus every single different aesthetic, plus keeping up with events and holidays and trends. It's endless. Okay, print on demand is not saturated in any way for any product, so don't come at me with that. But here is a way to stand out even more with mugs, because it's something different. It's something that's in demand and different, like it's a different variation within that product category. So it's in demand because people want it, and not that many sellers are selling them yet. So it's lower competition, high search volume for this type of product. Okay, enough talking. So it came in this little wrapping, and then it was packaged really snug inside the box. I forget the design I put on here. Oh, I'm so happy because I forgot this cute little saying that I put on here. I'm so excited for this because it goes along with one of my sayings that I always say is follow the plan, not the mood. I've been saying this with everything I do, specifically for going to the gym lately. When I don't feel like going, I just say, follow the plan, not your mood, and I go, right? Same thing with building a business. When you don't feel like working on your business, you have to tell yourself, follow the plan, not the mood. So this cute little design, but it says follow the plan, and it has a little rainbow, and it's printed on both sides. And if you want to hear more about my little like mindset tips, like follow the plan, not the mood, I have been posting every Wednesday now, Walk With Me Wednesdays, where I'm walking somewhere beautiful in Greece and I feel the inspiration, and I just hope to help you guys through some of those mindset things that you're going to come across. So this mug just reminded me to tell you guys that, because follow the plan, not the mood is one of my sayings. So go check out my Walk With Me Wednesday videos. I hope you like them. But let's jump into Printify and I'll show you where you can get this. And now back to catalog. We're gonna come over here to mugs, and here it is, the clear glass mug with a handle. These could be huge for bachelorette parties, even bachelor parties, and really just any niche in general. And like I said, there's going to be a huge demand for these because it's a different type of variation that we've been seeing on the platform. So it's high demand and low competition at the moment, something to definitely jump on ASAP. And the price of these are $12.59. And then the $6.09 for shipping. Yes, this is much higher than what you can get for a mug, because my regular mugs, I will show you what the price is. You get a huge profit margin. This is the mug that I use, $3.50. Huge profit margin here with these. However, you can price these higher. Do not be afraid to make your prices higher for these because they are different than the average mug. So people will pay more for these. Especially if you add in a personalization touch to it, you can charge a lot more to make sure that you're still getting a decent profit margin. These are flying off the shelves, guys. Do not sleep on it. Okay, all in all, I'm very happy with the quality of all three of these print-on-demand products from Printify. Let me know in the comment section below which one of these you would like to see a full step-by-step tutorial on, how to design for it, how to place it on the product, and how to list it on Etsy. Also, remember to let me know any other products that you would like me to personally test out for you guys so that you don't have to order samples yourself unless you want to. Like I said, I'm gonna be using all of these on the reg. As always, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video.